Changing the oil on the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. It takes that kind of oil. Have to make sure it's fully synthetic. Take the tap off so it can start cooling down. Do it when it's cold. Prefer to be done when cold. When you get underneath your car or truck, actually. I already took out the bolt that goes, if you can see right there, it literally goes near your, oh, that thing's still hot. Oh, I touched my exhaust, that's why you gotta wait till it's a little cold. And this is a $15mm socket. Pretty much righty tighty, lefty loosey. That, make sure you have your pan so the oil could drain. I change my oil every like 5,000, 6,000 miles, I think is what it needs. You're gonna need one of these little things to take off your filter. What I do is I put it from the top. This is the easier way to get the access. You just go left a little bit. And just let it drain. Like as soon as it starts pouring, you just let it drain a little bit. Some of it might get on your frame. That's why I got a rag. Once it drains completely, when it drains completely, you want to grab a little bit of that oil on your finger and rub it on top of that filter. I'm gonna get out of here so I can show you what I'm talking about. Mine's a 5.3 liter and I use Castrol. If you can see, it's for gas engines. It's the 0W20 advanced full synthetic motor oil. I buy it like this because it's a lot cheaper than getting a liter by itself, because it takes 8 liters. It takes 8 liters when you take off the filter. I always take it off. I don't want to wait till it's like, oh, you know. And this is what I was talking about. Once you grab a little bit of oil, put it on top of this, and then you just push it in and tighten to your right. Just with your hand, you don't have to over tighten it. The oil helps it maintain its size. Once you're ready to start pouring it, once it drains and all that, I use a funnel so I don't spill much oil on there. And then just put 8 liters in there, and that should be good to go. See you guys in the next video. Comment, like, share if you like it. Peace out, guys.